Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major pairs, minor pairs, as well as Bitcoin, gold, silver, crude, and US 30 through Elliott waves. So before we get into this week analysis, this is my disclaimer. So read carefully, and I'm not asking any investment, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's start with the DXY, and this is a watch list. I just altered one more. I added that one more Euro New Zealand. Now there is a good opportunity, and we are already saw those opportunities, and we are in that trade. So starts from DXY, and I added Euro New Zealand, and the New Zealand cat got stop out. So let's we will discuss about those things in this stream. So first of all, according to the DXY, what I'm expecting from here also, and for the bullish scenario, and because of that election, it's done a little bit complex corrections, and I explained well in the last stream. So now there's a B and C. So here's A, B, C is got over, and this is I took it as an diagonal triangle wave for the further bullish scenario. So I took it as this as an ABC as a 1, and this ABC as a 2, and now I'm expecting for the third wave, or it could be labeled as WX also. So in any conditions, my bias is it has to break this high 103.42 also, and as well as this high also 103.01. So I'm uploading this video a little bit late because this is a festival in India as a Diwali. So a lot of crackers sound and disturbance while recording that YouTube. So that is why it's a little bit late. So now my expecting is it has to break that 103.4, and from that smaller time frame, this is the end of that wave 2 or wave X. So now it could be anything. Maybe we can keep this as an 1 or this as a 1, and this could be an irregular flat. So in any conditions, I'm just looking only for the bullish incoming days. So as of now, this is the turning zone. Just if you watch this, this is a fall and there is a consolidation, and now it has to go above this high. So it will take more time here to take a decision. So my bias is according to the Elliott waves as per my pattern, my wave count. I took it this as a and B is an expanding triangle, and I have showed you that several times. Now we are on the C wave. So C could be a diagonal triangle or ending diagonal like that. So I took it this as an ending diagonal triangle. So in this we will get only three waves for 5 waves, up to 5 waves. So the third wave may get extended. So in that we have to use our W, X and Y. So it may end nearly, I'm expecting 101.1. In this zone it will end the third wave. After that, consolidation for the fourth wave, because there is a lot of resistance. So there will be all fresh sellers will be available here. Here this is a major resistance zone. So it will take more consolidation for the fourth wave, and then it has to break this high as well as this high to make a fifth wave. So that is my bias. So let's move on to Euro USD. So that is also I explained nearly 15 minutes in the past video. So no need to get enter in the again and again. So it will take maybe a complex correction here. If you understand this, see this is a, this is a B, and C is got completed, and now this is getting ready to come to the downside. But if any fundamental news is, it will be delay, but the downtrend I'm expecting only the downtrend. So here if it is a complex correction, more complex correction, this could be a W, and this is a X, and this is a Y. So in that pattern, it may become little bit late in the complex correction also if it took time, and it will near to this zone also. If it breaks, that will get invalidation for the whole my wave count, because I'm expecting is here is the end of the B, so I'm expecting as a ending diagonal triangle. So I took it this as a wave 1, ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, or it could be a more complex also here, expecting that. So let's see how it moves, and in that smaller time frame, what I'm looking here is whether this is the A. So here is the B in that running flat, and C is got completed, means again three-way structure is there. Or else this could be an A, this could be a B and C, and then again it may come down. That is why I have first marked this one. Otherwise, if it is the W, so this could be an X, and again it can come down. Or else it could be a complex correction, means this could be a ABCA, and ABC, it can travel above this and then again fall. So this becomes a W, X, ABC, Y, and whole thing again there is a three-way structure to make a 1.2 also, if it is getting complex, more complex. So let's move on to Australian dollar. So Australian dollar also same, it's already broken this, but even though I'm took it this as an expanded flat, and I already shared all this post nearly 12 pairs in the trading view and in my telegram, so you haven't looked there because I don't want to waste the time. So that is why I have already posted, and the commentary was written in that inside the chart. Please read carefully this commentary. If you're not understanding, don't take any trade according to my view. It's simply, if you are watching this kind of that red lines and green lines, don't do blindly and don't follow me blindly. I'm just sharing my knowledge to you to learn Elliott waves as per my knowledge. So how I'm looking and how I'm trading this pairs, forex pairs, and how I'm making the consistent profit. So that is why I have explaining here. See, I know only this Elliott waves, that is why I'm explaining this. So I'm not promoting this, I'm just sharing my knowledge. So be careful, don't took the trade according to what I have shown the lines. So if it is an A, B, C is a W, and I already told that this is a zigzag pattern, whether this could be a again C-way continuation to the downside if it is a 5-way structure, or it could be a complex correction, it can reach this zone, exactly it reach, and I added again here. Clearly visible, and I have explained that. You have just checked the previous and the day from the two streams before itself. I explained that from here it can be a chances. If it didn't break here, it's also chances, and if already break means it's a 5-way structure and 3-way and 5-way. So this could be an ABC is a zigzag pattern in that X wave, and ABC as a Y has completed. So this is from here it has to come down. Otherwise, else if it is a little bit complex correction, it has a chances to near to that 7.4 also, and then it has a drop. So I'm looking only for the drop except New Zealand dollar. I will sorry, I will explain that. So that is why I have written here it's a zigzag. So ABC is a Y is completed. From here it has to come downside, and if it is for that 1 hour chart, exactly this is a B and C got finished, and here also it's a ABC is a W, X, B is a triangle, C is got completed. So in either condition is a simple correction just got ended. So from here itself it has to fall. It's looking like a simple ABC correction, or it could be a or W, X, ABC, and again it can reach this zone. 7310, and then again fall. But if it breaks this, means again one more high is possible, as like this what I explained here. So here we have to watch the wave formation. If it is clearly seen and if it is drops aggressively like this, how it will make a bullish scenario like this. If it falls freely, so then that will be a continuation for that third wave. So third wave will be also a diagonal triangle, means it could be so complicated and we will get more entries also if you understand that. So that is why I have explained here. I'm expecting the W has to end at nearly that support zone of 6 and then again the three-way structure for the X, and then again ABC. So the total I'm expecting here, it has to reach around the 6.2 is my third wave target. But if it breaks this high, that will be in different scenario. But my bias is it it won't break. But this is the effects what I said. It could make anything, and we can label, just keep them changing the label, that's it. So according to the price action, we have to change, we have to be flexible, otherwise we can't earn money. And I'm still having your position that you know very well. I'm having the now the two positions added here, what I booked here, added here, and again I added here, and again I added here. So totally three positions I am having. The first position is around here, I think 7180, yeah, 7170, 7180 here. And again I did only the small trades from here, and after here it's also I took the position and I booked the profit here, and again I immediately entered here looking for the correction wave, 5 waves and three waves and then 5 waves. Immediately I exited my position here, and I expected, and I already shared my view also in my Telegram as well as trading view. It has a chances for bouncing, so I immediately I buy back here itself. Here itself I refilled my position in the last week. I said like that only, because we don't know whether this is the end of the W. So that means if it is a 1, this could be a 2, means A. So B and C could be a 5-way structure, means it can break like this also. So that is why I entered here, and again I little bit I didn't done anything here, because it's a very small, right? That is why I didn't average here, and I added here. And once I saw this is a and the three-way structure for the B, and the C way has got a 5-way structure. I entered at 173 something I entered. So now I'm looking only for the downside, as I explained here. So now we will move on to New Zealand dollar. So in that also, that day itself I have explained that I thought this is the 4, A B C is got 5. So whether if it has to break this 6488, then only that will confirm for that uh, bearish downtrend. But until if it didn't break, means there is a chances for making one more high. So it's already dead. So now this is a 1 2 3 4 5. I kept this as an leading diagonal of A, and B is in running flat, and C is got completed here. But if in the case if we switch to that 1 hour chart, there is exactly the 5 ways did here. So another 3 ways and not to break this high, and if it immediately fall, this count is valid. Otherwise sorry, what we have to do is, if it breaks this high, so here it could be a running flat also. So either, see, I have a doubt, but even though I added at here, now the positions I'm having, so if it breaks this could be a 1, this could be a 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in the case, this could be a ABC is a W, X, A, B and C is a 1, 2, like that it will keep continue to the upper side is also possible. If it is a 1 2 3 4 5 as a leading diagonal, if it did a one more high also, this A, either it could be here also, it finished, it may finish. This could be a W, X, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So like that we have to label, and then this leading diagonal could be an invalid. So here ABC is a W and here is X, or here because it's already broken this, so whether it could be an X is a running flat also, this could be a, this could be a B, and C is a 1, 2, 3 is ended here, 4 is in a expanded flat, and then 5th way can go above this high also, so that is also possible. So be careful here, and I won't add any more here. So now after this completion, I'm expecting to the downside only. Here is the end of the 5 ways is got over. So again I'm looking only for the downtrend, so that it could be a, because I'm expecting this as an X wave, and again Z wave is in 3-way structure, so whether the 3-way would be a ABC or WXY pattern also. So that is why I have written here whether it will make a bigger ABC or a diagonal triangle or a WXY pattern. So that we can't say here, but all the pattern is valid to reach my target. So what is my target is, it has to break this 5-4, that corona drop. It has to break this. Why I am expecting that is, we have to look for that all positional wave count, and I already posted several times. You just have a look in my profile picture. So just I will show you the example. So in that weekly chart, so from this A, B and C is got completed. So this is a W, and here is a W, and X as a expanded flat here, and here also WXY is got ended. So in this pattern, if it is there, it has to break this low. First of all, it has to break this low, and if it is a B C continuation of the 5-way structure, it has to break this low also. But I am looking for the target, it has to break this, because whether it could be in a WX and one more high is also possible, so it could whole thing become a correction, or there is a chances for making if it is the end of this X. That is why I have written whether it could be an Y, it is possible, or this could be a WX ABC in the form of WXY. So in that case, this F, if it is this X is ended here, we may get a more bearish to break this also, but we don't know how it will make. So according to this plan, this ABC is a W and X is a running flat as per this. Because why I took it this as a running flat means, before we get, if it breaks this, we need a 3-way structure. If it breaks before that making the 3-way structure, so this is an irregular flat. So here it didn't make a 3-way structure. It's a only simple 3-way structure is not enough for this bigger correction, for this, for impulsive wave to the downside as a flat correction. So this is a W, and this is also a WX ABC is going on. So after this, it's a perfect channel is also there here. So here is a running flat of X, and again one more ABC has to break this low. So whether it is going to, first of all it has to break this low, after that it could be break this or this. So that is according to the wave formation and the aggressive it is coming down to the bearish. That same thing also I will show you that AUD USD in that here ABC is a W, and we didn't get any 3-way structure, otherwise it has to go from here itself to break this, but again it failed. So this 3-way structure is a X, ABC, and the continuation of Y, and this X is a 3-way structure. It is not an impulsive, it is not an impulsive. For me it has to break this low again, how I have explained that in that New Zealand dollar. So like that it has to happen the Z way. So whether it is going to break this low or this low, even though same here also we can see ABC is a W, so here is a W, X as a running flat, and this becomes the X as a expanded flat. So here is finished WX. So now the Y way is in progress. So if it is a Y way, it has to break this low. first of all it has to break this low, and then only it has to break this low if it is a Y wave. But if the X is still alive, it may break this high also before we get into to break this low. So next we will move on to, and I have already showed that Euro USD, GBP USD also. So now we will move on to GBP USD. I forgot to. So in this also, first time I took the trade in GBP USD. I shorted at a 1.3250 and it make a high of 1.3311 something. Yeah, 1.3311. And still now I am in that in the market. So from here I will add the position, but with the stop loss of this as a stop loss, not this as a stop loss, because it will do more complex correction. I will explain here. Say first of all, I took it this five-way structure as a A, and I am working on that as an expanded flat. And from here it did the expanded flat, and I said if from here it has a chances for making to the low, but the wave formation is not looking like as an impulsive, so it's looked like a correction. There is a chances for making one more high also. It for the complex correction it did the same thing. So now it has to come downside. It is getting ready to come downside. Whether it is it's a look like very aggressive only so far. So whether after the three-way structure, if it didn't break this high, it will definitely go to the downside. But I'm placing the stop loss for this because I'm new to this trade. I just keep on analyzing every time, but this is the first time I took the trade and with the stop loss, because this I took it this as an running flag. That is why in the daily this is an Y. So this is the W, X and Y. So this I took it this as an running flat. So if it breaks this high, and again it may go to the higher side also. So that is why I have placed the stop loss for this GU as this one of 1.35 I have placed. So from here, how if it breaks this high also, this high. So how we have to make this? So then we have to change this as a B and C. After that A, B, C is a W. This is the connecting wave. And again this could be an ABC as a X, and again sorry this as a Y, and again X, and again this could be a Y. So this ABC could be a W, or we can make it this as a and then B, it can go either up to this also. So anything is valid. If it makes this as a one more high, that also valid, and if it falls from here also, that is also valid. So now we want move on to a USD CAD. So USD CAD also, what I said, from here I'm expecting and it don't want to break, but it already broke, means I took it this as an example. In previous, my count is changed now, you just listen carefully. In previous I did this as a triangle. So after the triangle I did as an this as a W, X and Y is finished in the diagonal triangle way. So it has to bounce from here itself, and it don't want to break this high as per that labeling. But if it breaks this, means so now we have to change the count according to the price action. But anyway I'm looking only for the bullish, but we are looking for the one pattern and it did the another pattern, means this is the example in USD chef I got here. USD chef I exactly find out, but in this after the it breaks this only, that got valid. So now is the ABC is a 1, ABC as a 2, here A, B, C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here ABC is a W, X and Y. So this is an extended third way. So 1, 2, 3 is ended here. After that is a three-way structure W, X, A, B, C, and this is the end of the fourth wave, and it didn't break the high here. So now that is also valid for the fourth wave. After for the fifth wave, we need to break this low, and it does now. Right. So this also ABC is a W and X and ABC. So perfectly it did. Now it is valid for the fifth wave to end, and this is the W, and this is the X is got ended here, and I'm looking only for the three-way structure, but it will took more time. We will get lot of entries if it is a correction for 1.42. I'm expecting. Maybe first of all, first target is for this. What I bought here is I booked the profit at 1.3065, and again I didn't done anything because I'm already having the positions, so that you know very well, and just keep on adding once it's confirmed here. From if it is a pullback, and again if it breaks this high, I have to enter after breaking the high only. Or if I added here in the correction, I need to place the stop loss what I added the position for, that only I will place the stop loss. But I think it may go from here itself. So let's see that my wave count is changed. This is not a triangle now. I took it this as an diagonal triangle wave for the five-way pattern. Is a corrective five-way corrective pattern. 1 2 3 4 5. The same thing it's happened in USD chef also. I will show you here, and I explained here also. And intermediate, I have already shared my view from when the pair is trading at here. I explained that this could be a fourth wave and this could be end of the fifth wave. It already broken the third wave low, so there is a lot of chances for shooting, and I already shared that here. Just a moment, I will show you that. On the November 9th, yes, here, while it is trading here, I explained that this is the third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave has got ended, and from here it has to shoot. It's perfectly did. So now this is got valid, and the same thing for the USD JPY also. I found this, that wave count. This is I will show you that. Just we will click the play button. Exactly from here it bounced back. So I booked the profit what I added here. I booked the profit at 105.9, 106. I booked the profit exactly at 100 and, yeah, 105.6. I booked the profit, and again I added one, that what I booked, then I will split into the two entries. One at 105.25, the 40 pips below where I booked the profit, and the another one is at 105 104.6 I added. So now I'm only looking for that bullish scenario. So we move on to that USD chef. So now it is in the bull side only for me. So once is the correction is got ended, it has to be in the bullish side only. So because here is the end of that fourth wave, or it could, if it failed to break this high, there is a lot of chances for making a triangle also, because in the fourth way it can do a triangle. So then that will become A, this will become B, and if it didn't break that high, so that will become a C, D, E, and then there will be a bearish. So first of all we have to watch the price action whether it is going to break this high, and is need to out of the channel also, this channel. So let's see, and we will move on to USD CAD now. No, USD JPY. So for this USD JPY, ABC is a W, is a connecting wave, again ABC. From here it has to go high, but again it failed to, and it's already broken that. So what I did is, in the past this could be a WX, and again I expected to this level, but it failed to make a, and again it didn't break. I expected if it has to break, but it didn't break, and again bounce back. So in that time itself, that election news came. So here I confused last week, and then intermediately I got that wave count. So this is the W, and this is the X, again A, B, and C. I explained that also, the five-way structure. So this becomes Y, and this is the connecting wave, again X, and this is the A, B, and C. So this is the wedge formation of for the A, B, and C. So once from here itself I'm in buy. So I again refilled what I booked at 105.65, and immediately I buy back at 105.25 and again at 104.6. So from here I'm expecting only bullish. So, and I have explained in that market commentary also. Read carefully, and then you just took it all for educational purposes only, not for trading. And if you really understand only this patterns, so let's move on to AUD JPY. So in the AUD JPY also, the previous I said there is a lot of chances for making a complex correction. It has to make a one more high. It's already did. So now it's a lot of possibilities is there, because A, B, C, and this could be a connecting wave, and again ABC is finished. So one ABC is finished means here I change the wave count. How means this is a W, so this could be an X, A, B, C. So the whole thing becomes W, X, ABC A, ABC and ABC. So this could be a running flat for X, and then again it can shoot from here itself. So that is a one more possibility. And what is the next possibility is it can break this low also, and again it can make a one more high also. So in that case, A, B, C, that could be a Y also, or it could make it, it can break this low also. So in that case, this could be ABC is a W, and this X could be here, and again ABC. So in either pattern, this either from here it can go high, or if it breaks this low means that is a lot of opportunity, whether it is going to make a deeper, or it could be here, from here it can shoot. So whether if you need to enter means after it's getting rejected, if it breaks this low, you need to make a stop loss of this low, and then you have to take a trade. Otherwise for the safe, you have to enter above this level and make a stop loss of this as a low. But I'm not so satisfied, because without knowing the wave formation here, I won't tell, and I can't tell blindly. If you have to enter above this means that will be too difficult also, because first of all we need to know whether this is a W, X and A, B, C means it will be a deeper correction also. So the wave formation we have to watch, and then only we need to enter. So here I change the wave count. You just look for that my Telegram channel, or it could be you have to refer what I have changed here in the previous and now, because in previous I took it this as a W and this as an X, ABC I completed here. But now the price action, the looking it's here is not so satisfied for me to place this as an X, ABC. It's a very small here. So for this ABC, and we are in the still B wave only, so that will be very more complex also here. So only if it breaks this low, I will be enter, but only in the end of the correction only, in the long, because I'm expecting the UJ also bullish. So at that time JPY has to very bearish only JPY. So at that time what it has to do, gold and silver has to be in bearish only. So whether the stocks is moving high or not, I can't say, because there is no correlations nowadays after the corona. Everything is moving in the same direction. So let's move on to the next thing is CAD JPY. So in the CAD JPY also, what I thought is after this break this high, that I thought this could be invalid, but it didn't break this high. The triangle is not. One second, I will show you in that IDC. Yeah. So here this could be A, B, C, D, E. So there is a lot of chances for making XY as a triangle. It didn't break the high, and this also it didn't break the high. So it is valid for the triangle. If it comes again one more from here, it can shoot, or one more, because E wave may be a smaller, or again if it comes here and then again it may drop. So after that we are not so sure about this triangle is in the B wave, sorry, X wave. So either conditions, if it breaks this high only we need to enter, otherwise this high, because sometimes this could be an a W also. So A B C D E, and then again it may drop. So in the intermediate wave X or B can be a triangle, and then this could be A, B and C. So there is a chances for bearish and bullish also. So what we have to do is, only if it comes near to that 77 zone we need to buy. Otherwise if it breaks this high, then only we need to be in buy side. But as per this there is a strong rejection in the trend line zone. So what I'm thinking is, if it breaks this high and if it is retested in the B wave as per this what I explained, again one more way to the higher side for the 86 also possible. So this is my positional view. So this is a so WX. So we are in the A or W, and this is already broken the low. So in that case this is not the reversal. This could be an WX ABC. So this could be a running flat, or it could, if it breaks this, although that is also an expanded flat. So after the once impulsive we are in the correction, and again one more downside to break this low. So then only, so because this is a weekly, one candle represents weekly, so that it will took more time to reach the target. It's not that much simple. And if we switch to over to the daily chart also, it's very difficult to enter the trade. It's easy to analyze, and it's very tough to enter in the trade. Lot of idea, lot of possibilities, which is a safer for your account. So next we will move on to the New Zealand CAD. So New Zealand CAD also, it break the high and my stop loss got out. I'm in the trade at was sorry 8837, and I added here one more at 8955 I added. So both the stop loss got hit because I placed at 902025. So it already broke that high. So in that case I won't enter here for the confirmation. I won't enter immediately. So once the stop loss got hit means my view is in this pair is got invalid. So that means it's still bullish only, not bearish. If it is, if it didn't break this, and if it is come aggressively, my target is a 0.8. So that has to reach, and that will be hit. But once it get the stop out means, that means still we are in that bullish trend only, or in correction in the bigger time frame in the weekly. So that still correction we are in there, but short term is bullish. In that case how I change the label means, what I took it previous is, this is the end of A B C. So this ABC, and this is a W, and this is the X ABC, and this is the one more W. This W is become here. So we on the X ABC, in that this is an expanded flat, and I am expecting for that it has to break this level. But now it already broke this level high means this view is got invalid now. So how I changed means, this ABC ended here. This is an expanded flat as an X, ABC as a W, and again this as a W. This could be an X. So still in work in progress, it's a W X A B C. So there is a lot of chances for making the higher of 92780 also, 9280 also, or it can come again after this rejection and one more high. But if it didn't break this high, so there is a lot of chances for making the X here also. So the whole thing how I'm looking here is, this whole thing becomes a for the simply pattern, and this is the B and the C. So anyway it has to break this low, but it will took more time. So here, from here what I'm expected is got invalid means. So now I change this as an A, because this is the clearly seen the 5-way structure here. So whether it is in 5S structure is in expanded flat, and again one more wave to the higher side, or this is the new impulsive wave A, and this could be a beacon, because C here is also ABC is a ABC is a B, all everything is a 3 waves. So still for this 5 waves we are still in that correction only. So this could be a and here is the end of the B after it took all the stop loss including myself, and again there is a little aggressive fall. For this kind of fall may happen here, and then immediately it can bounce back. If it bounce back means we can make a stop loss of that as a low as a stop, and then you have to write. Otherwise, if it is break below this also, that is also valid for the expanded flat. So A, B and C, and then again can bounce back. So here blindly we can't enter the trade, because just now we got stop hit. So just we need to listen, and then only we have to enter. The trade has to come to our view. Don't follow that market, but follow, but as a friend you can travel with that, not against that. So once we get stopped out, you need to listen what it is doing here, then only we need to enter. Because we are in that cell, immediately we can't make it as a buy. First we need to valid reason whether it is a bullish or bearish. So anything can happen. That is why I have explained here. Won't enter immediately, will watch and enter in buy or sell. Anything is possible. So let's see how it moves. So now the Euro New Zealand, sorry for that, and Euro New Zealand also perfectly, and the intermediate I said whether it is going to break this low, and I gave the example also previous it did the same. This is the 5-way structure, and this is the A. So the whole thing becomes a A, B, C is a W, and the new wave count I have explained that, and this is an X. We already did the perfectly here, and again A, B, and I said this is could be a leading diagonal 1 and 2. If it is there, and it has a lot of chances for making a third and fourth and fifth. So exactly did the same. And in that RBN is at New Zealand, and the New Zealand got a strength, and immediately it broke this low. It already breaks this low. So now it is valid for this, but target will be modified, because if it is a running flat, it may reach only up to 1.8 or 1.79, and then immediately it can fall. Else, if it is a expanded flat, it can travel above this also. That is also valid. How it did here, I will show you that, because in previous I did lot of things. This is a 5-way structure, and again it break this low, it broke the low, and immediately it took off. So it already broke this. So like that kind of price action, and I have explained that also in the previous, it can break this low and it will took all the stop loss and immediately it bounced. And the intermediate also I said in that RBNZ news, this is my previous commentary, I didn't erase this one. So the target I am expecting the 1.8 for a running flat. If it is a expanded flat, it may break the previous high also. So currently we are in the wave 4. Whenever it is trading here, I said, and so yet one more low is possible to 1.7080. Exactly it did 1.7047 is the low, and I already placed the order at 1.07080, and it got filled, and I am already in the trade at 1.7225 from here itself, because we didn't know whether it is making a bullish, sorry, the bigger fifth way, or it could be a shorter also. That is why I have entered at 1.725, whether once it broke this low, so next we will see, I didn't see the watch list also, so it's all memory. Euro, USD, GBP, yeah, USD CAD, UJ, UHF, AJ, CJ, NCAD, Euro, New Zealand. So let's move on to that. USD, US 30. So US 30 also, I'm not so because in previous I did that exactly here. This is a ABC is a W, that is confirmed, and this is a X, ABC is also confirmed. So if this is as a W, what I said, if it is a W and this is a X, means it don't want to break this low, but it already broken means, so I just make it this as a W. For this W, the correction is not enough for this rally. The correction, it won't be simple, that you have to understand. So whether it's already broken the high also, that could be a irregular flat also. That is why I kept this wave as an expanded blade flat formation in wave X. So I'm still looking only for the 24,500, but it will take more time. Maybe in 1 or 2 months it can be, or it could be a 6 months if it is a deeper correction also to reach the 22,800 also. If it is a deeper correction, because this is an A, this is a B, and C is got over. So we are in the B wave. So B wave will took more time than that this wave, impulsive wave. So it will took more than 50 to 61.8 retracement, nearly double the time what it took here. So nearly, if it is in March, it completed at September, means it's almost 5.5 months from here. So 5.5 months may took nearly 50% to reach here, or it could be very fast also, that we can't say here. But my bias is, if it stocks is false, means gold and silver has to shoot. But the correlation, I'm not it's not using perfectly for the correlation, it's not working now. Once that DXY is also came down, and that stocks also came down in that time, that is not so correlated nowadays. So it's very difficult. And the UCAD and crude also did the same. It's not correlated to anything. In past it was correlated. See, the uh, UCAD make a new low, but crude it didn't make the new high. But the direction is the same, opposite direction. If it is UCAD is fall, crude has to go high, but that is not, that percentage is different. So that you will understand only in the experiences. So whether if it is stocks is falling, maybe gold can go higher, but not, it won't break the higher, I think so. So let's see. Now I explained this. So let's move on to the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin also, what I expected, if I thought it's a 14,250 or 14,500 it has to break, but it reached almost 16,500. So same I said, whether this could be a 1 2 1 2 like that. If it is not a triangle, it could be a B here. So this is a 1 and 2 here, and 1 2 3 4 5. So for this 1 2 3 4 5, and again it may do a complex correction here, and then one more high is also possible, or it can drop from here also. But I won't be in buy side in this zone. But the previous analysis was perfect, but I didn't enter here. Once it breaks this 12,500, there is a lot of chances to reach that 14,500 I said, and it already reached that, but I'm not in the trade because I have a lot of open positions in FX. So let's move on to the gold. So finished, we will finish the US oil, and then we can go to the gold and silver. So here also is a W. So this is the X, ABC is got over. So whether this is the end of this trend and we are looking for the downward to the $24, or it will do more complex correction, that is the question here. Because everything it is making a 3 3 waves. So whether if it is an end of this trend, means if this is the end of the trend, means, and here is one more W, and this could be X, A, B, C. So anything is possible, but it's looking like another three-way structure only. So I'm possibly looking only for the downside, but it will took more time. Like this it can do. So once the impulsive wave, see, buyer is aggressive here, and once it completed that three-way structure, and immediately it is start to correct and then immediately fall. So whether this could be a B and C, so this A, this could be a B, and this could be a C. So lot of possibilities here it's looking. When it is a three-way structure, that is too complicated to trade to direction. But what I'm trying to say is, at least the shorter term we can do that. Shorter term, whether it is in a buy or sell like that, so we can do that. So Diwali is going on. That is why I didn't done anything from that morning itself. It's a little lot of disturbance. So you can find the cracker sound also. Hear that. So let's finish gold and silver before the disturbance. So here I come to a conclusion. So this is a B, it's a triangle, and C got over. So this is a W, and this is a connecting wave, and A got completed aggressively A, and now we are on the B wave. So if it breaks this high, because I'm looking the stocks has to fall, and it didn't break this low yet, so there is a lot of chances this could be a another W, A, B, and even though if it breaks this low also, there is a lot of chances for making another expanded flat also if it breaks this low also. But I need an aggressive move like this. It has to reach that 720 or 740 or 760, whatever it is. If it did only, this pattern is get completed. Otherwise, if it can do like this and immediately if it bounce, means there is a lot of chances for making a expanded flat also. So in that case, this A, B, C, so like the Australian dollar, how it did, like that it can do the expanded flat. For example, I will show you that again. Here it already broken this low and again bounce back, and it break this high also. So that means it's the expanded flat. So like that, people, the fresh seller will enter if it breaks this, because of one time, second time, third time. So if it breaks this, the major support was broken. It may also, it can reach this also. I'm not saying no, but there is a, you can expect the one more possibility. If you enter the trade here, if you enter the trade here with a stop loss, if it comes here, that will be fine. You can at least book something, and immediately you can make a stop loss for the break even, whether it is going to reach here or whether it is going to reach here. If we did that exactly perfectly here, we catch that end of that B wave, at least we can bank some of that dollars here. But if you enter the trade once the support was broken, if you thought like that, and immediately it can bounce back like Australian dollar. So, and again it could be like this also, W, X, A, B, C, and then only in that Y wave structure it can reach here. So still there will be a more complex correction also, and I said in the previous also, there is a lot of chances if it breaks this 1934, it can reach up to 2000 also. So there is a chances for making that. So mind that, and we will, let's finish the silver, and we will a lot of disturbance is getting started. So here same thing, I am already in that cell and I have explained, and I need to gold, silver, and the crude has to post. It's not yet, only the 12 pairs I have already posted. You can compare to that for then review in the chart. So now this could be ABC is the perfect W. So it didn't break the low yet. So now what I'm expecting here is one more low is possible to break, either this as an irregular flat or this as a regular flat. If it breaks this low and immediately if it bounces, then there is a lot of chances for the irregular flat, sorry, regular flat correction. So again it may reach that 27.5 or 28 even though. Else if it breaks this, then that will be an irregular flat. Either it could be a running flat or it could be an expanded flat if it breaks this high, this high. So now you can understand that is the W, So ABC is a WX ABC. So one simple correction got ended. So whether if it is continuing to the upper side, so there is, we need a connecting wave. So this could be a WX ABC. So I'm expecting that stocks has to fall. So at that time, gold and silver can again retest this highs once again. So gold can make around 2000 and silver can see the I'm not correlating, but it can be correlated also sometimes. So this X could be here. So for this ABC, the trend continuation, this is a flat pattern. This is the connecting wave. So this is a one more a flat pattern. And again ABC, that Y way, and then only if it will reach the $19. So once again we will check what else we need to. Gold, silver, crude I did, Bitcoin, US 30, Euro, New Zealand CAD, KGPY. So everything I finished. So thanks for watching my video, and a lot of people are asked me in the direct person. We are able to upload that this week analysis. So you are aggressive and you are eager to watch my analysis. Thanks for that, and thanks for your liking, and thanks for your commenting, and we will see in the next week. Have a nice day. Have a nice profitable week.